Have you ever been in a situation where you're expecting an important call, but you're not sure how to answer it on your Nextiva phone system? Or maybe you're new to Nextiva and you're not sure how to set up your phone system to answer calls. Context. In this video, I'm going to show you how to answer a call on Nextiva. I'll cover the basics of how to answer a call, as well as some more advanced tips and tricks. Answering a call on Nextiva. There are a few different ways to answer a call on Nextiva. The most common way is to simply pick up the phone when it rings. You can also answer a call by pressing the answer button on your phone screen. If you're using the Nextiva app, you can also answer a call from there. To do this, simply open the app and tap on the Calls tab. Then, tap on the call that you want to answer. Answering a call from your desk phone. If you're using a desk phone, you can answer a call by simply picking up the receiver. You can also answer a call by pressing the answer button on your phone's keypad. Answering a call from your mobile phone. If you're using the Nextiva mobile app, you can answer a call by simply tapping on the answer button. You can also answer a call by swiping the call to the right. Answering a call from your computer. If you're using the Nextiva desktop app, you can answer a call by simply clicking on the answer button. You can also answer a call by double-clicking on the call. Advanced tips and tricks. Answering a call from a specific extension. If you want to answer a call from a specific extension, you can do so by pressing the extension button on your phone's keypad. Then, enter the extension number that you want to call. Answering a call from a group. If you want to answer a call from a group, you can do so by pressing the group button on your phone's keypad. Then, enter the group number that you want to call. Answering a call from a conference room. If you want to answer a call from a conference room, you can do so by pressing the conference room button on your phone's keypad. Then, enter the conference room number that you want to call. Answering a call from a voicemail. If you miss a call, you can listen to your voicemail by pressing the voicemail button on your phone's keypad. Answering a call from a call queue. If you're in a call queue, you'll be able to see the next person in line. When it's your turn to answer the call, you can simply press the answer button. Ending the call. To end a call, simply hang up the phone. You can also end a call by pressing the End Call button on your phone's keypad. Answering a call on Nextiva is easy. There are a few different ways to do it depending on the device that you're using. Once you know how to answer a call, you can start using Nextiva to its full potential. Make sure that your phone is turned on and connected to the internet. Check your voicemail regularly. Set up your call forwarding settings. Use the Nextiva app to manage your calls. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Nextiva.